फंक्शन था ये बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त था, इधर बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला।
International University, Excellency Mr. Sabbah, the Chief Executive, Polaris Systems Pakistan, celebrated speakers, esteemed guests, venerated deans and faculty and principals of affiliated colleges, respected media persons, students, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It's indeed a great pleasure and honor for me to address this wonderful gathering of youth at Karachi International University. And before I speak further, I would like to thank for the presence of Honorable Force Commander Northern Areas, who happens to be my instructor and my teacher when I was doing staff course at Staff College Quetta in 2010. I would also like to thank for the presence of our senior minister, Colonel Retired Obaidullah Baig, and of course our Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. Engineer Sabbah, for his all the cooperation and invitation for us to hold this wonderful gathering here today. हमारी जिम्मेदारी ये है कि आपके सामने डिसीजन मेकिंग को आसान बनाने के लिए चॉइसेस आपके सामने रखिए, माहौल में मौजूद अपॉर्चुनिटीज आपके सामने हम एक्सप्लेन करके रखिए और देन हेल्प यू कि आप इन मौजूदा ऑप्शंस में से यू चूज द बेस्ट वन फॉर योरसेल्फ, द बेस्ट वन दैट इज गुड फॉर यू, योर फैमिली, द सोसाइटी एंड आवर कंट्री. I will not long, मैं prolong करूँ अपनी बातचीत और मैं आपके और हमारे speakers के दरमियान हाई नहीं रहूँगा.
The first speech is on Gilgit Baltistan, a gateway to CPEC and China-Pakistan knowledge corridors. Please join me in welcoming our august speaker, Excellency Engineer Professor Dr. Obaidullah Baig, Vice Chancellor, Karachi International.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Nahmaduhu wa salli ala rasulil kareem. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatan min lisani yafqahu qawli. Honorable Colonel Sahab, Force Commander Other Areas, Colonel Obaid Sahab, Senior Minister, Sabbah Sahab, जो हमारे eager speakers हैं, faculty, officers, आर्मी ऑफिसर्स और सबसे इंतहाई मेरे दिलों को करीब मेरे बच्चों बच्चियों, a very warm welcome and very good morning. Before I go to the presentation formally, I would like to highlight 4 or 5 major things which are happening around us and which is translating this region to a new destiny. The first and the foremost power of Pakistan is the youth. And if you know that currently more than 60% population of the country is from 18 to something like 30 years, which is one of the biggest power of this country and this region. Certainly, if we could not harness this force, and if we could not provide a destiny and a direction to this force, we will be losing it.
वो सफर कर रही है. So the key point is कि unemployment की वजह से आपकी economic growth सफर कर रही है. अब इसमें मसला क्या है? मसला ये है कि we all study कि हम पढ़ लिखने के बाद हमें नौकरी मिल जाए, चाहे हम IBM में चले जाएं, चाहे Facebook के एम्प्लॉयर हो जाएं, लेकिन हमने कभी ये नहीं सोचा कि हम नौकरी लेने वालों की बजाय नौकरी देने वाले बन जाएं. So my today's topic will deliberate on कि हम नौकरी मांगने की जगह नौकरी बांटने और देने वाले बन जाएं. So for that purpose, again another statistics that today's Pakistan poverty ratio is 1.25 US dollars per day. So it is too low, and further we are going.